So, as I just mentioned, I've never actually used one of these. I've never touched one, done anything with it. All I have is a casting device and the HDMI port there for my computer. This is a Fire TV stick with the Alexa voice remote. Now the gentleman I'm setting this up for, likely tomorrow, he does not have an Amazon account, which is why I had to order this for him. But I'm going to go ahead and unbox it. So I just removed the piece of plastic that was over this here. I haven't gone farther than that, so about to get my initial impression on this as well. It seems like it's quite a bit inside of here, so I'm going to take the box and throw it on the side. And how does this open? I guess right here. Okay, so we've got batteries from the remote, for the remote. Shockingly enough, they're from Amazon. A wall plug. I'm going to try to plug it into an open USB port on my computer. I did check on his and he does have an open one, so that shouldn't be an issue. So this is basically useless to him. So this is, for best performance, use the included power adapter and USB cable. No. So that's the Fire Stick. Huh. It's a little bit bigger than the casting device, but it's the same setup. Plug the power in on the side and plug this into the USB port. Or, I'm sorry, HDMI port. And this is the remote. I guess it's okay. It doesn't look like anything fancy to me, really. Then on this side you have manuals. What's in the box, how to connect it, this and that. We'll be doing this here in the next video. And this just tells you all the stuff you can do with Alexa, who is pretty much tracking your every move. Everything you say to them, everything you do with Amazon or Alexa is logged and recorded in a database. If you really want to have fun, take a look at their privacy policy. It's not as fun as Facebook's, but you have a USB cable here. Oh, wow. Okay, so that's like a 3-foot USB cable, which is definitely overkill for the project that this is being used for. Well, I'm not, that's, oh no, that's not it. You have it? Oh, this is the HDMI extender. In case you can't just plug it into your TV if the things that look like that on your TV are too close together, and you have big clunky devices like this on the sides, it may block another one from going in there. So as you can see, this here is a smaller profile. It's a lot shorter that ways, so that's the point of this. Well, I guess the only thing left to do is go ahead and plug it in and test it, so we'll see in a minute if it's actually a decent purchase or not.